did want to give Bishop-elect Beckman an opportunity to say a few words on this, the first time he is in what will be his cathedral church. So please share some things with us.
Thank you, Archbishop. It is a joy to be in this church. When I arrived last evening, I went to the cathedral rectory, and the pastor of the cathedral, the rector, showed me the cathedral in the distance. And the joy of being close to this place was already in my heart at that moment. But today is the first time I've entered this church, and to do so for this liturgy, a tremendous gift. And as I looked at your faces, you are the living stones of the Church of God. You are God's people. And I am so grateful that the Lord has called me to be your shepherd. So I look forward to the journey ahead. God bless you. Have a wonderful, blessed day today.